Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I did these large Senegalese twists on myself. If you want to see how I did them, just continue watching.
I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. When I kiss her, I don't know where we're going, I don't know at all. I don't know how we're growing. I'll be moving I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own. Making me.
Back of my head was shattered on the front. I did end up parting it off camera because I was struggling a little bit. I really tried my best to make sure that my parts were straight because I know the twist was going to be big, so you was definitely going to see the parts. So I tried my best to make sure that it was as straight as I could get them to be. Okay, so here you see my part in the ear and adding the jam in the middle because it was jam I was using, and I knew it wouldn't keep me here for long, but I still used it because that's what I had at the moment.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again.
Okay, so when I got to the top, I realized that the 1 by 1 section wasn't working, so I ended up pre-parting it because I really wanted all the sections to be equal.
So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing.
I did end up using this technique with the needle for only 4 the twists because it was way too painful pushing in the needle and pulling it out, and plus pulling out the hair, just way too much pain. So I end up in the end, later down in the video, you can see that I end up like pulling out the rubber band and just putting the twist in between.
Dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing.
It wasn't my first time doing Senegalese twist, but I was struggling. My hair was sticking out. It was just a lot of stuff going on. But the thing is, I didn't use fresh braids. These braids, these braiding here that I'm using is reused from a next style. I don't know if that's why. But I was gonna use new ones, but then I said, okay, these ones was kind of okay. So I said, no, let me use them back.
Everybody else could see the way we were living in a fantasy. But when I kiss her, I don't know where we're going. I don't know at all. I don't know how we're going. I'll be moving I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own. Making me strong. Now I wanna show I can on my own. See how much I've grown. Better all alone, baby. I don't do it all alone. Sorry for the heartache and saying goodbye. For wasting your time. For wasting your time. I don't know how we're going. I'll be moving.
I added more hair to this twist because I realized that it was a lot smaller than the first one, and I wanted all the twists to be equal, even though that didn't end up happening. Some of them was just a little bit smaller, just a little bit.
See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. I don't do it all alone.
but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing.
Here's where I pull back out the rubber band and split the hair in two, and you'll see me adding the braiding here in the middle, then adding back the rubber band, because I find like this way was so much easier. Honestly, I wish I had done it from in the beginning because it was less pain and I finished way faster this way. If you like this video and want to see more videos from me, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.
Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's almost like falling in love.
Here I am showing you again how I parted the hair in two, added the braiding here in the middle, then added the rubber band.
Feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Or nothing at all.
Forever twist I added here at the ending of my reel here, and for length I added at the end. Some I added extra here because if it's small then I would add extra here to like make it thick. To make sure all the twists was the same length, I took a twist and measure it beside the hair I'm about to add in with the current twist I'm twisting. I don't know if you understand. And check to see if I add in the hair in this section or in this part or wherever, if it will reach the same length as the next twist beside it.
It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing.
Okay guys, so this is how the twist came out, the large Senegalese twist. I hope you guys liked it, and see you in my next video.
Be all